New product alert. Yes. Hello. I just want to come to you guys to show y'all a new winter product. I did a product alert with the swatches on my arm to show you what it look like against my skin tone. So I just want to do a quick little demo of them. No makeup today. I just want to show you the lips today. My face is all washed and clean. But these are the new Mary Kay at Play Mini Matte Liquid Lip Color Kit. It's two of them in here for $16. Two for $16. It is Red Envy and Taupe that. So let's do Red Envy first. So I'm going to take it out. This is the size of it. Once again, it's a mini matte. So what I'm going to do is prime my lips first with our lip primer. It's like any other thing that we do with our face. We always want to prime it, whether it's our foundation, eye primer, lash primer, so the product can stay on. So this is our lip primer, which I didn't know how important it was, but I love it. Red Envy. It is very lightweight. Doesn't feel like I have anything on. Matte. So this is Red Envy. What do you guys think? I'm becoming a red girl. Great fall, still winter color. It's matte, even though I want to put some lip gloss on it, but it's matte. You can up it however you want to. It's your product. You can do whatever you want to with it. You can also use the lip liner. And you can mix and match them too as well. So this is Red Envy. I like it. Red Envy. So I'm going to do Taupe that, but I'm going to use our eye makeup remover to take this off. Trying to start another whole video. Okay, right on off. Make sure you get around your mouth. You see how my mouth is stained? I just flipped it open to the other side. Okay. Once again, I'm going to use...
I said liquid.
The liquid primer again.
Lip primer.
The next one is Taupe that. Taupe that. I don't know how this is gonna look, but here we go. This will be good to have our lip liner. Once again, like I said, it is lightweight. It is Taupe that. This is like a nude lip color. I probably can use it with some type of ombre look, but I wouldn't dare go out like this. So for the Taupe that, maybe I have to put a lip liner with it. Give myself an ombre look with another color or something. Lightweight once again. I definitely can do ombre look with it. I can see ombre look with it, but I personally wouldn't wear this out. No, I definitely will wear this out. So this is my take on Mary Kay at Play Mini Matte Liquid Color Kits. This is Red Envy and this is Taupe That. I love Red Envy. Taupe That, I would have to add a lip liner, probably do an ombre look or something with it, but me, for my skin tone, I probably wouldn't wear this out. I probably can do the soft nude lip gloss, add to it to kind of pep it up a little bit, but I like the Red Envy out of this kit the most. So once again, Mary Kay at Play limited edition. They're $16 for two. They are mini lip color kits. You can spruce it up, do however you want to. You can pair them together. You can give yourself ombre looks, lip liner, lip gloss, however you want to. So this is my take on the first set of Mary Kay Play Mini Matte Liquid Color Kit. So, all right, see y'all on the next video. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye. Hello, I just finished a video with the Mary Kay at Play Red Envy and Taupe That. Yes, Taupe That. Okay, so I was talking about the Taupe That. Now I have this bright light in my face, so it does look a little different without the bright light in my face. So it doesn't look bad, and like I said, I can put the soft nude lip gloss on it. So this is what it looked like. I was looking in my mirror and I was like, it don't settle into my lips, so it doesn't look bad. So if I was just trying to have a little look, throw a little lip gloss on it to be a little natural, then I would wear it outside. I know I said I would not, and that's because of the light on there, and I'll show you again what it looked like with the light on there. So this is natural light right here. I still have the Taupe That on. It looked like I had a lot on, and so it have settled in my skin and on my lips. So this is with natural light, and this is with light, assisted light. So you can tell the difference. Once again, it has settled a little bit in my lips, but that is camera wise, and this is off camera. So it is a go. I would say it's a go. I would spruce it up once again with some soft nude lip gloss. And it's just a natural look that I will have going on. So just want to come back to verify, to correct that. Taupe That. Probably would add soft nude lip gloss with it. A nude blush, something. But this is what it looks like settled into my skin. So yay for the first set of Mary Kay Mini Matte Liquid Lip Kit Color Kits. Red Envy and Taupe That. All right. Thanks. I hope you liked this Mary Kay video with the new product alert. Be sure to like. If this is your first time here visiting my channel, please subscribe, share, and comment. And let me know what you think about these two new colors.